or prayers? Or would you dance till the murky dawn on beats of unknown drunken drummers?